So in this video, I will be testing a popular claim that a single prompt can build a real website, and we will be building a Spotify clone using just a single prompt and deploy it publicly to test this claim. Right now, AI companies and influencers are telling that you can build a website using single prompt. I am not here to hate any AI, but I want to test these claims honestly. So let's start. We will first preview the website, and the UI is looking very good. But this is where problem starts. The play button exists, but it doesn't really work. Some pages are working. Search look real, but there's no logic. Let's start building. This is the only prompt I am using. No details, no instructions, just one line. This is exactly what people are told to do when they talk about vibe coding. Let's see what happens. So the emergent has started building our clone. Let's wait for it to complete. So here the AI is asking me to clarify a few things. I think I will just click on auto answer and see what it can actually do without any manual changes. I will be fast forwarding this part, and I am not cutting anything in between. So let's see what happens. The AI is building the clone, but also it's creating so much problems. But one thing is that the AI is finding that problem and solving that problem once at a time. This shows how far the AI has come, that it can find the problems and solve them without any manual need. Let's see how our clone comes out to be. So this was the preview of the website built by Emergent. As we can see, the UI is good and the playlist is working. So this is the playlist page. It's working. This is the library page. It's also working. And this was the home page. The good thing about this emergent is that the UI is good. Ignore this error. Now the next step would be deployment. But here's something important that nobody really talks about. To deploy this website from here, I have to pay. And that already breaks the idea of one prompt builds everything. This is not about money, it's about the claim. If one prompt really built a complete website, I should be able to take the output and use it freely. So here's the honest reality. One prompt can generate code, but to convert it into a usable website, it still needs understanding, decision, and often money. Vibe coding does not remove efforts, it just hides them. So this was the reality of using just a single prompt. It does generate something, but between hidden limitation, cost, and missing understandings, it's not the magic people make it sound like. In the next episode, we will do the same thing but with a better and detailed prompt, and we will see how much difference does this really make. So if you care about building real things, this series is for you.